Hi guys, Beth here. So today I'm coming to you with another project pan. This is the intro and this is the panner's pan. It was created by Kooky Pans on Instagram. So I want to first honor the creator by having her, pan something that relates to something she has panned before. And so what I picked for Kooky Pans is the Glow Recipe Banana Soufflé moisturizer cream. You could tell this is not new. I have used it a little bit, so it is looking like, oh, let me take off the little lid so you guys can see. It's looking like this. That's how much I have in it, and so I hope to use this up. This is like a project that goes on continuously. The next project, or the next product in person that I'm rolling into this is a beauty guru made me do it. My friend here on YouTube, Paula. She is like the sweetest, the best. I love watching her videos. Excuse me. And so I thought I would roll in a ColourPop Super Shock highlighter. She recently finished up one. I can't remember the name of the one that she finished up. I don't have it, but the one I do have is Whipped. And sorry about the glare. It's getting dark outside, so I can't use natural light, but here is my Super Shock highlighter. I want to hit pan on it. That's the goal. And if I scroll my finger around, there's what it looks like. Sorry about that other swatch, but there it is. Yeah, so it's really pretty highlighter, kind of frosty. Hopefully I can hit pan on that. That's for Paula. Then I have for VMRT, Valerie on Instagram, and she is on Jacklyn's channel when they do the Nightmare on Elm Street project pan. For her, I'm pulling in the SGX NYC Salon Graphics. I'm using this. Valerie had used up the Beach Texture Spray. I don't have that, so I'm going to put this in there though. It's the same brand. This is supposed to, actually no, this is the Beachy Texture Spray. Hold on. She had in the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray in a project. So I'm pulling in the Beach Texture Spray. So I will be using this. The next person, number 4, I'm pulling in is Jessica Lee. Jessica Lee and Amanda D and a few other people had panned the Carly Bible palette. I have the deluxe edition. So for Jessica, I want to have no pan left behind. Let me show you what my palette looks like right now. I have used up a whole shade here and I've hit pan on a couple, but I want to use every single shade that is still in this project, including the highlighters and the bronzers. So that will be my challenge. The next item is for Nature I Care, and for that one, she was panning the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette. Now this isn't another project for me. I'm trying to have no pan left behind in it, but for her, I'm gonna try to hit pan on the brow bone shade up here. It's like this like shimmery kind of white highlighter kind of shade. I don't normally use like a shimmer on my eyebrow or brow bone, but for this project I will. So that's what it looks like. Let's give you a swatch. And yeah, so I want to hit pan on this shade here. I already have pan on one, so I'm so happy that I have that pan, but 2 pans in this palette would look nice to me. And that's for Nature I Care. The next item is for Pretty Pistol 86. Now she's like the project panner that got me all into it and started. Her and Glamour with Grace. I think next month, if I have anything rolling out, I'll roll in Glamour with Grace. But Glamour with Grace isn't on YouTube anymore. She hasn't done YouTube in a long time. But Pretty Pistol comes back every now and then and shares her empties with us and her purchases. So for her, I'm pulling in the Urban Decay Perversion because she's always like panning a perversion, I feel. She's got me to buy these eyeliners that I haven't even used in a, you know, since I bought them. They're shrinking like in the thing. I think I bought like a 3-pack or something like that on Sephora's website a long time ago, and then I got a free one, like a little sample size one. So yeah, I'm gonna try to use up this whole eyeliner. I will mark it after the video, but this is for Pretty Pistol 86. Okay, so there's that, and her name is Cherish. Okay, and she's number 6. For Marty, the makeup lady, I have been talking to her on Instagram here and there. She's so sweet. She lives in the same area where I'm from. And for her, I picked the Glow Recipe Plump hyaluronic cream by Glow Recipe. Did I say that already? This is brand new. I just took it out of the box. This was like makeup with somebody's like choices, Shayla or something, or Michaela. So yeah, here is mine. It's brand new, so I'm gonna try to use this up. It's in 15 milliliters, and yeah, I have a lot of Glow Recipe items I'm working on right now, not in projects. This is the first one or the second one I put in a project, but the other stuff I've been just using behind the scenes on my face. The next item is for Marilyn ELF here on YouTube. She is a sweetheart. She does like the Nightmare Before Panning Street, created by Ceylon and Valerie. And then she also has her own, like, I think project going on. She does Hollow Out by Halloween, so she likes those like spooky themed ones. And she had this in her Nightmare Before Panning Street. Well, not this exact one, because I customized mine. In these ELF palettes, you could pop out the blushes and highlighters or whatever and mix and match them. So that's what I did in this one. So I think like 2 of these shades were in the one that she was working on, and then the other ones were not. So on this, I want to have no pan left behind, and I'd like to like hit pan like on this white like cream shade. Maybe I could use it as like an under eye setting powder. I'm not sure, you guys. It's really light, but I'm gonna try to make it work for me. And then just use, you know, these other ones as I go. The next item is for Laney. Laney's makeup is her channel, and she was panning the Modern Renaissance as her pan that palette this year. And let me go grab mine. Okay, so my goal for Laney is to have no pan left behind, which I just recently did on this palette, but again, no pan left behind, and also to hit pan on a eyeshadow. And I'm guessing it'll be this shimmery one here in Vermeer. This is a really popular one. I can't speak today, you guys. It's getting late and I need to do work still. So there is a swatch. I figure I could use this like in my inner corner. It's a nice like shimmery highlight kind of look, or eyeshadow. But we can't really tell because of my lighting. So that's what my Modern Renaissance is looking like right now. And I want to hit pan on this one here. Next is for Chick Geek. I think I know she had Jacklyn Hill's Morphe palette in a project. So for me, the goal would be, I don't know what her goal is, but for me, my goal is going to be to have no pan left behind. I had wanted this palette for so long. I finally bought it, and then I used it once and never used it again. No, I take that back. I don't think I ever used it. I've never swatched. Well, I have one swatched. I could tell. 1, 2, 3. No, I have a few. I have about 3 swatched at the bottom. You can see here I have it swatched. This one swatched. And I think there's one more swatched. I just can't tell. But yeah, I'm going to try to use every single shade in this palette, because I haven't used it at all and I spent a lot of money on it. So I'm going to try to use every single shade at least once. And that is it. That is 10 people in this project pan that I hope to, like, you know, get good use out of these products, and just to pay homage to them and be like, hey, You know, they're great panners. Go check them out if you haven't already, if you're not already subscribed to them. I'll have them all linked down below. Some are on Instagram, some are on YouTube. But yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for coming by and hanging out. And I am super tired at this point. This is my second video, so I've been talking for about, I don't know, 30 minutes straight, which tires me out, especially when I feel like I should be resting. But anyway, thank you again, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.